To check Bluetooth audio bits per sample in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find Bluetooth audio bits per sample. Bluetooth audio bits per sample, and then tap Bluetooth audio bits per sample, and then select option you want. Trigger Bluetooth audio codec selection bits per sample. Use system selection is default or 6 bits per sample, 24 bits per sample, or 32 bits per sample. 24 bits per sample, 16 bits per sample, or use default. The system selection is default. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.